Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Elena and I'm so excited about today's video because I actually won a Guess PR package. Now if you've been following me for a while, you know how much I love this brand. I make videos about them all the time because I just love everything about their style. And on top of it, it was the J.Lo and Guess collaboration, and you know that J.Lo is my favorite celebrity. I love her movies, I love her videos. I think she's such a style icon. She's so beautiful. So this was just perfect, and I am so grateful. Now, I won this right before quarantine, so they couldn't ship it out right away, but I did get it a few weeks ago, and I was just so excited. I just can't believe how generous Guess is, so I wanted to share with you what I got in my PR package. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do that down below. Set your alert settings, that way you're notified when a new video comes out, and let's get right to it. So first off, I want to show you the box that this came in. So it came in this nice little Guess box. It got a little bit damaged in shipping, but it's okay. I'm still gonna save it because this is like a treasure. And inside were all these little goodies. So came with this cute little wrapping. So this is the Guess wrapping that they put in all their clothing when you receive it. The first thing that was in this box, I actually wanted to purchase. It was like a free gift if you spent $125, and I didn't end up getting it. So when I found out I was getting this, I was so excited about it, and that is this little J.Lo and Guess mug, and it's all blinged out, so it's super cute. It's this little tumbler. I'm probably not gonna drink out of it, to be honest, because I'm just so obsessed with this. Look how cute that is. I don't know if you can actually see how shiny it is, but it's pretty shiny. Like, it's so cute. And then it came with a little black straw. I'll probably keep this as a keepsake because this is like my memory of this moment, but I was just so excited. Look how cute that is. Oh, I wonder if they have any more. I don't know, but they still have the Guess Summer collection by J.Lo, so make sure you go check that out. And then they sent me this cute little tote bag. So this is like a good thing for the summer. You can put anything in here, and it says Guess Who's Back. They sent me some cute little J.Lo stickers. So this is a sticker of her head. This is like so funny. It's so cute. And then here's another tiny picture of her head. I'm gonna try to show you these up close. Then they sent me like the tumbler, the little microphone, and then this is just a J.Lo X Guess sticker. They sent me this little note, and it says, Elena, excited to share that I'm back again as the face of Guess and Marciano. Wanted to share a little piece of my campaign with you. It's one of my favorite looks. Can't wait to see how you make it your own. XO Jennifer. And then it has her picture. This is just like a cute little note. Then they also sent over this really cute sweatshirt from the Super Bowl. So it says, let's get loud on one side. And then the hood has like the little date from the Super Bowl, and then on the front it says J.Lo. They have the Guess sign on one side. So this is just a really cute sweatshirt. And then they were super generous. I don't have the gift card in here now, but they actually sent me such a generous gift card, so thank you so much. I actually purchased a few pieces that I'm gonna share with you. I didn't spend the whole gift card. I just picked up a couple things. I'm just so excited. Like this, when I got this and I saw it, I was like, like so excited. So now I can just like have a whole new wardrobe of Guess clothing, and I'm again so grateful to them. I'm gonna go in my closet really quick because this is where I kept all the pieces, and this is the first thing I got. So J.Lo actually has a collection with them, and this is a piece from that collection. I'm obsessed with jean jackets, and I can't believe I finally have a Guess jean jacket. So this is just adorable. It has like the cute little fringe on here, and it's kind of like oversized. It's a little bit boxy, and I really love acid wash. You know I'm obsessed with acid wash, and the cut of it is just so cute. So if you don't have this little J.Lo piece, you better go get it for yourself because it's just so cute. And jean jackets, you know, are one of my staple pieces. I love them so much, and it has the Guess logo on the bottom. This is like my dream jean jacket, and I was finally able to get one, so thank you so much. I'm so excited about this. I'm just gonna do a little close-up for you. So just want to show you the details on this, how beautiful it is. It's just so cute. We just love a good jacket like this. Okay, so also I had to get this really cute swimsuit. So I saw this on Instagram and I really wanted it. They had a blue one, they had a pink one, and they had a yellow one. And I was just obsessed with the fact that it says Guest Beach. I love palm trees. I am obsessed with California. So yeah, when I saw this, I was like, I really have to get that. This is the first thing that I thought of when I got my gift card. I was like, now I'm gonna get that bathing suit that I wanted, because I will literally wear this as a bodysuit with jean shorts. You could wear this as a bathing suit if you want to. I'm gonna wear it as a bodysuit and get as much wear as I can out of it. Look at this cute little back here. It's an open back, adjustable straps. It's just such a cute color. It's like a little Barbie pink moment. I'm so obsessed. Like, how beautiful is that? So cute. It's like bubblegum pink. And on the website, it looks a lot lighter. This is darker than what it is on the website, but I'm happy with it. I actually like the fact that it's a little bit darker. So with a tan, this is gonna be so good. Next up, I wanted to get this for the 4th of July. I think this is so cute. It's not a color that I normally wear. It's like a royal blue, but it's just this really adorable t-shirt. And the thing that really made me buy this was how the stones stand out against this color. I don't think that the camera is gonna do it justice, but they are so sparkly and shiny, and the blue just brings out all these beautiful gems. Like I said, I don't think this camera is gonna do it justice, but it's gonna be adorable for this summer with a pair of white shorts or white pants, or it's just gonna be so cute. I also got this really cute little sports bra. So I'm obsessed with sports bras that have a band on the bottom, and the fact that it says Guess on it, of course, you know I love it. Just do a little close-up of this cute little top here. Look how cute that is. Joggers with the sports bra are really in style right now, and of course you wear a sports bra with your gym leggings, so this is just gonna be really cute. I love the color gray, like in a sports bra. I just think it's so cute to wear by itself, so I'm really excited about this too. And then the last thing I picked up was this really cute purple sweatshirt. So this is just so beautiful. I love these crystals. When I saw this, I was like, I have to have that. I love pullovers, so this was perfect for me. I like the fact that it's a crop top because I think it looks really cute with leggings. It's not too baggy. It's the perfect size. So this is what the crystals look like. Just a gorgeous look. Look how beautiful that is. Like I said, I don't think the camera's gonna do it justice. It says Guess Los Angeles. I'm absolutely obsessed. It's kind of like a tie-dye or an acid wash, but it's really subtle. So that's what I really like about it. And it's a super heavy material. I'm so obsessed. I absolutely love everything that I got, and I'm so happy. So thank you so much, Guess. And the last thing that I got was this little Guess booklet, which has the JLo summer campaign in there. So you can actually see all the pieces in here. Look how pretty that outfit is. That skirt with that top. Like, this outfit is so cute. So it just kind of shows you what you can get from the Guess collection. But look at that beautiful green dress. I'm like, I don't know why I didn't order that. Maybe I didn't see it on the website, but when she wears it, it makes you want to buy it, and that's why they put her in the ads, guys. So look how beautiful. Like, she's 50 years old. No, she's not. We love a good jean outfit, a good full denim outfit. So yeah, I'll just quickly share these with you so you can see the beautiful looks. This is the jacket I bought. I almost bought those shorts, but I should have bought those shorts, huh? I don't know. I feel like after looking at this stuff, I'm going to go online and do another order, because literally the stuff is just so cute. This sweet little bathing suit. I don't even think they have this on the site anymore. Like, some of this stuff, of course, is already sold out, but get your hands on what you can. Look at that belt. I need that belt. All right, so we got a little chic look over here. Look at that. That's beautiful. That's like a tribal look. I want that headband. Oh, I wonder if they sell that headband. Look at this headband, guys. Can you see that? Look at this headband. I want to buy it. We have her like married look. Her hair looks so pretty. then that beautiful dress. Okay guys, so that's all I have for you today. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I was so excited to share this with you. I couldn't wait to get on here and make a video when I found out that I was going to receive this package. So I'm so glad that I was finally able to. Make sure you check out the Guess website because like I showed you, they have so many beautiful pieces from the JLo collection and also just from their clothes in general. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see. Make sure to like the video to let YouTube know that you want to see more of my content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.